Tornadoes, heavy rain, and fierce hailstorms tore across parts of the Midwest on Wednesday, pounding Oklahoma and injuring at least 20 people, 5 of them critically. The storms dumped up to 6 inches of rain in the southern part of Oklahoma City, prompting the city to issue a flash flood emergency warning for the first time in its history, said spokeswoman Christy Yeager. No deaths were immediately reported. Dozens of homes were destroyed, and road crews were waiting for the storms to abate to set up barricades and evaluate trouble spots. A wildlife park near Oklahoma City that houses leopards, lions, alligators, tigers, and other exotic animals was hit by the storm, prompting fears that tigers had been loosed upon the city. Storm chasers caught video of one of the tornadoes forming.